Welcome the students in science class. Class 7, Unit 4, Pressure. Topics: Force, pressure, measurement of pressure, application of pressure, numericals. Force. The external agent which pushes or pulls the body is called force. It is denoted by capital F. Its SI unit is Newton, capital N. Mathematical formula. Force equals to mass into acceleration. Pressure. The force acting perpendicularly per unit area is called pressure. It is denoted by capital P. Its unit is Newton per square meter or Pascal. Mathematical formula. Pressure equals to force upon area. Measurement of pressure. Pressure is measured by dividing the force applied with area. Mathematical formula. Pressure equals to force upon area. Unit of force is Newton, capital N, and unit of area is square meter. So that unit of pressure is Newton per square meter, which is also called Pascal. 1 Pascal. If 1 Newton force is applied on 1 square meter area, the pressure exerted is called 1 Pascal. Application of pressure. Pressure is inversely proportional to the area. Area is increased to decrease pressure. The foundation of house is made wider to reduce the pressure. The wheel of tractor is made wider to reduce the pressure. Area is decreased to increase pressure. Hasia and Kodalo are made sharp to increase the pressure. Tip of nail are made sharp to increase the pressure. Numericals. 1. A box having weight 200 Newton is placed on the ground of 20 square meter. Find the pressure exerted by the box. Solution. Weight F equals to 500 Newton. Area A equals to 20 square meter. Pressure P equals to what? We know pressure equals to force upon area, or P equals to 500 upon 20 or P equals to 25 or P equals to 25 Newton per square meter. Therefore, P equals to 25 Pascal. 2. The weight of a person is 400 Newton. He exerts 400 Newton per square meter pressure if he stands with both feet. Find the area of the floor covered by his both feet. Solution. Weight F equals to 400 Newton. Pressure P equals to 400 Newton per square meter. Area A equals to what? We know pressure equals to force upon area, or 400 equals to 400 upon A, or 400 into A equals to 400. Or A equals to 400 upon 400, or A equals to 1. Therefore, A equals to 1 square meter.